Y'all, I had intended to just stand on the deck and take this video, but I did not put the windows down. So I came out here to do this. So I feel like a weather person standing in the middle of a storm trying to report on what the weather is like. So let me do this and I'll pick you back up. Okay, all the windows are down and she's holding steady. Did the greenhouse survive? Quick hint. I'm smiling, so let's see. It looks good. Let me open up the windows that I had to immediately run out here and close yesterday in the rain. It was raining so hard when I came out here yesterday to close these down. I didn't even close this and that one down tight enough. One thing I learned about my old greenhouse is that these right here will get dried out and brittle. So I am going to put some spray on these so that they will withstand the weather. Eggplant is growing up. It is completely dry in here. Yes, I missed out on some rainwater, but no worries because I have a rain barrel. And that's what I'm about to do right now, is get some of that good rainwater, bring it in here, and put it on the garden. Look at this. Things I planted the other day are starting to come up. It's looking good. Awesome. Herbs are starting to come up. You can barely see it, but you see right here, and over here, and right here. I'm gonna put a potato in there. I don't want you in there with a roly-poly. My carrots are looking good. Let's get this stuff watered. Peanuts looking good.